Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is What is Creator Mode on LinkedIn? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. Before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, what is creator mode on LinkedIn? Let's jump from my YouTube channel here to LinkedIn. Let's go to profile, so view profile. Just close the messages. So here's my profile on LinkedIn, and you can see scrolling down there's been a change. And if you've seen my recent video, is LinkedIn about to pay content creators? If you haven't seen that, watch that because it has some relevant information. LinkedIn is changing the way it approaches people who create content on the platform, and it looks like there's going to be some sort of rewards and extra recognition for those people. So here's my profile, and you can see scrolling down it says a number of people who viewed profile, viewed my recent post, etc., search appearances, and it says creator mode off. So that's new. So it's now the 6th of April when I'm recording this. Let me click on there and put creator mode on. So grow your audience with creator mode. People will be encouraged to follow you and follow your and your follow account will be shown in your intro. Your content will be showcased more prominently in your activity section. You can also show topics you post about in your intro. Let's click on learn more. So click here, learn more. So here's about creator mode. Feature will be gradually rolled out and may not be available to you at this time. So it's available to me, but it might not be available to everybody. If you don't see this option, please check back in the coming weeks. You can now turn on creator mode on your profile to grow and reach your influence on LinkedIn as a LinkedIn creator. You can share topics you post about the most. Once you've turned on creator mode, the connect button on your profile will change to follow. Will display the number of followers. You can choose to display the topics you post about. Well, we order your profile to show you're featured in activity sections, your activity. Okay, I'll have a quick think about it. Creator mode will automatically be turned off if you do any of the following. Switch your follower settings from everyone on LinkedIn to your connections. Disable follow as a primary action when members view your profile. Okay, so that seems fine. I would like to turn on creator mode, I believe. So let's click there. Let's click, let's go back to creator mode, learn more. So I've done that. Let's move I'm just going to move myself over to this corner. Hopefully that shows. Let's click on next here. So we're clicking on next. Tell us what you post about. You can add up to 5. So content marketing. Add a topic. Social media marketing. So let's see if that's there. African business also, B2B, and shall we go for new business? So that's 5. You can add up to 5, so let's save those. Creator mode has been turned on. Okay, learn more tips and resources. We'll do that. Get to know the tools to help you build a following and establish your voice. Let's go for learn more. That's the purpose of this video. So let's click on there, learn more. Okay, we've already read that a moment ago, so we don't need to go back into that. Let's go there and get more tips. Let's go to no thanks. So creator mode on. Now if we can see, I'm just going to move myself over here, looking at the profile with the creator mode on, and you can now see that they've highlighted the number of followers I have. Fine, that's over 6,000. I'm not worried about that. I also have over 6,000 actual connections. And let's see what the action is. So people dashboard is the same, grow your audience. So now when I start posting, and people can see my activity here, when I start posting, people will be prompted more to follow rather than to connect. Obviously you can, as an option, select connect, but people will be chosen to follow. So it looks like it's a slight rejigging or reordering of the profile. So as a person of some influence, I'm not, I haven't got 100,000 followers or connections, but I've got 6,000, and I post regularly about content marketing for B2B businesses. I also post about African business. I run a group called Africa Means Business. So I post about those two themes on a regular basis, also social media connected to content marketing, obviously. So there you have it. I'm now in creator mode, and I look forward to seeing the next steps that LinkedIn takes to differentiate creators and people who are active on the platform from those who are not active. Another question: why have LinkedIn made this change and introduced creator mode? In my view, this is because LinkedIn has recognized, they've got a lot of data, as you can appreciate. They've recognized that a lot of people on the platform are passive, and let me just break that down for you. So there's 740 million members of LinkedIn, and the numbers of people who post on a weekly basis is around 3 million. So that's less than 1% of LinkedIn members are posting on a weekly basis. So if you want to post on a weekly basis, you will get yourself into the top percentile in terms of frequency of posting of content, and it's better if you're creating that content. I made a video about content creation versus content curation, and I'll put that in the link to that in the description. So LinkedIn is trying to recognize the creators in the same way that YouTube recognizes creators, and obviously you can be paid, you can derive AdSense money on YouTube. Even newer platforms like TikTok recognizes the value of creators and has created a TikTok creator fund, and you have to reach certain milestones, and then you can receive money from the creator fund. And it's something that's happening across, and it's a theme that I've picked up in earlier videos. It's happening across the board with social media platforms. They're realizing the amount of work it takes to be a regular content creator on any platform, and they're looking for ways to acknowledge that, not just in terms of how their profiles appear, but also in some kind of compensation, and that might come in a monetary form, as it does on YouTube and also on TikTok. And then you look at platforms like Facebook and Instagram, who don't have universally open creator funds or rewards in a monetary sense. So LinkedIn is going the way of those platforms that have decided to reward creators. It'll be interesting to see what develops from this point, and I'll make videos, subsequent videos, identifying any benefits I've had from being in creator mode on LinkedIn. And because of this video, you can see my followers at 6320 for day one. I've just, during this video, I've just turned over to creator mode, and we'll see what impact that has in the coming days, weeks and months. Thanks for watching all the way through. This was a short video about what is the creator mode on LinkedIn, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.